This dinner looks delicious. I think I want some chocolate cake for dessert.
Cake? You never have dessert.
I like to have it once in a blue moon.
Hey babe, do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Sure, what's on TV?
How about we go to the cinema? We only do that once in a blue moon.
Great idea. It has been so long since we have been to the cinema.
Hi, boss. I'm sorry, but I'm feeling sick today and I can't come to work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. You're so healthy, you never get sick.
I know. I guess everyone gets sick once in a blue moon.
Get some rest. I hope you feel better soon.